When purchasing soybean oil processing machinery, it is crucial to consider not only the initial cost, but also the long-term benefits and operational expenses. High-quality equipment often comes with better energy efficiency, lower maintenance requirements, and higher productivity, which can offset the higher upfront investment over time. Additionally, advanced technologies may offer features like automatic control systems. Another important factor is the customization options available. Depending on specific production needs, buyers might require additional features or modifications to the standard setup. Moreover, buyers should also account for shipping, installation, and training costs when evaluating the total expense of acquiring soybean oil processing machinery. Some suppliers provide comprehensive packages that include after-sales services, spare parts supply, and technical support. In conclusion, while the price of soybean oil processing machinery varies widely,